Shifty Thrifter, and we are at the yard sale store. This place is definitely more about tech. Don't want to break anything. Realistic speakers. Kind of warm in here today, so don't know how long we're gonna want to hang out. It's not like dying hot or anything, but definitely warm. There's those little speakers that plug right into the bottom of your phone, back when the phone had a headphone jack still. Oh, it's just stuff today. Then specific there's some interesting components here, but I'm assuming this is just a Magellan or something. Yeah, it's gotta be. I've got a ton of VHS. Oh, Blu-ray. I don't think I've ever seen a Blu-ray in here. The Good Catholic. Revenge of the Nerds. That's funny. Lincoln. It's a pretty cool ET edition. Is this just DVD, huh? Yeah, just DVD. It's kind of cool though. I like the way it looks. We were just talking about these last night. My kid and I were watching War Games, and he found this over here at the place. A rotary dial lineman's tool. To see how much they want for it. He's saying, what's on there? 20?
20.
And we'll see if they can go down a little bit, maybe. Neat.
With the piercing clips.
I mean, 20 might be near what you could actually buy them for. I'm not sure. We came to the Savers over here on Charleston We almost didn't, but then we thought, you know, they might have something and we're gonna regret not going in. A lot of weird stuff in here today, actually. I'm not seeing anything really crazy, but some cool stuff, though. Let's see. This one's usually not that big for tech or whatever. They do have a lot of toys, but not the greatest toys. They do have a big toy section, though, as you can see. That whole L shape there is toys. Cruise through here real quick. Cough for a second. Alright. Caught some Las Vegas dust outside. It's making my voice a little raspy and keep feeling like I got a cough, so don't mind me if I sound a little raspy. This is from everywhere in town now is all packed up. Maybe it's just me not careful enough. What's this? That's from Gargoyles. Ah, he's missing his wings, though. Yeah, that would have been kind of a cool find. There's a Hercules in there with him. I would have bought a Gargoyles one if he had his wings. I mean, that was a little bit later cartoon when I was a little older, but I still thought it was really cool. That's all Disney. Yeah, I don't know that character. Looks like... what is there in there? I don't know that one either. I think that might be from like Small Soldiers or something. The lamp. That owl is actually really cool. My wife loves owls. Too bad there's nothing else in here, but fake pony. And nothing else really. Yeah, I know the name. I know I've heard them before. I just can't put my finger on it. That's cool. Looks like a cool disc. Knapsack. At the Goodwill on Maryland Parkway. That's kind of in the mall, or an old mall, I should say. It's not necessarily much of a mall anymore. Check out the Blu-rays. I almost wouldn't mind having a tie-in. Oh, that's not even a Blu-ray. That's a HD DVD. It's funny. People on the training day. Nothing really good. There's well, probably like a Hulk from Planet Hulk. That's like a non-moving Captain America. Neither of them's too interesting. I really don't know Inuyasha. Never watched that one. It was kind of a cool toy though.
In celebration of our 50th anniversary, Goodwill of Southern Nevada's
Ninja Turtle slippers. Well, I gotta wash. I gotta wipe this up. Max found this music sampler. Flipper.
Those are always fun to look through.
Yeah, check it out. There.
My son has a job that makes him feel good about himself.
By donating and shopping at Goodwill, he supports a nonprofit that trains people for jobs and thriving careers. Help Goodwill work for you. Learn how. Goodwill.org.
Where is fancy bread? In the heart or in the head? The strawberries taste like strawberries. The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Snozberries? Who ever heard of a snozberry?
We are the music makers. And we are the dreamers of dreams.
Willy Wonka. Oh, it's from The Mandalorian. It's that one ship he got the one time at Razor something or another. Pretty sure. It's kind of cool. $4. Oh, it's got little guns that it pops something out with springs. It's missing the back door on it. Yeah, it's pretty cool, but I hate to get it with like the back door missing on it. It probably didn't cost much just to get one, you know, on eBay or something. Puzzle, Star Wars. Exploding kittens, that's what I was saying. They had to turn some stuff in. When you start seeing it at like every store, you know, they turned it into one of the main ones and they just sent it all over.
I normally do a full wrap up, but on this one it'll probably just be a picture of the 3 things we got. Please like and subscribe.
He wanted to make us laugh.
I feel sorry for him.